Morning guys, it's February 16, 2026. So I got a call from a lady I worked for years ago. She kind of take care of my aunt there for a while. My aunt was 99 when she died, my mother's twin. And she took care of her for the last 16 years. Like she was my cousin's, one of my cousin's wives. Cousin died when he was young, and that was his wife. Well, he took care of his mother. She was my mother's twin. She was 99 when she died. But anyway, she's the lady that, you know, was my cousin's wife. She got no heat, and she says it's in a crawl space under the flipping house. Doesn't sound like a job I want to do, but she got heat in one room, and the other two rooms she's got no heat, from what she said. She said, I've been down there before. We'll have to go by and see what the hell's going on. I got some cardboard with me I could put down if it's a crawl space, I guess. And hopefully I can get to the place. Take a look at it. If it's a boiler, it's probably
US 6 East.
Probably needs an expansion tank, and then been blowing a relief valve, and the feed is not feeding. Most likely, that's probably what it is, and it's airbound. She said it's really old.
1.5 miles. Turn left on Route 140 North.
We'll see when we get there. One step at a time here. She's got some zone valves here. Got cast iron radiators upstairs. I don't know where the fuck this one goes, but this one here is not working. That zone valve's bad. I got 24 volts, but it's not operating. It's a bad head there. This is a bad head also. I hate to even fuck with this thing. This thing's in tough shape, man. I've been back here when I tried changing this zone head. I know it's got voltage to it, but it's not pulling down. It should circulate now. Yeah, and there it goes. That's a bad head there. And then this other one here. That one's the same. That one's working now. Got two bad heads. That one there should be I got 24 volts, but it's not pulling in. She's got a couple of bad zone heads. I should have a couple on the truck. I don't even want to touch this fucker. Look at this thing. It's buried in the fucking dirt. Scary. That other one up top there seems to be working. That one's warm. So it's just these two that are bad. There's a rat hole in there or something. Let's shut the power off to this thing, hopefully. I know the circulator's working because I felt it and I could feel it. I know the circulator. Man, this thing is in tough shape. Oh, I still got power to it. As long as I take that number one off, I should be okay. I don't know where else is feeding it. That number one. That should be the feed. I should be able to. This is fucking unbelievable. If I didn't know this bitch, I wouldn't be doing this, I'll tell you. If I didn't know her, I wouldn't be doing it. I'll just get this out of the way. Put that up here for now. Change that head. Make sure it's off. That's off. Alright, should be the 24 volt there. Yeah, that's the hot one. We should be able to change this head. I don't want to do anything unless I have to here. This thing is just... She is one crusty one, mama. Holy shit, she's crusty. She is one crusty one. And then I want to get this other one off too. This other one's going to be changed. This other hot. I don't even know what goes where over here, but I just want to get this thing off of here so I could change the heads without too much problem. That red one up there is the hot. I should kill that head too. Whew. I got the two whites, the two reds go on 3. Reds are on 3. And the whites are on the... That's a white there. And I just have to put the other one on, the red, and then that should pull that in. I can't believe I'm even working on this fucking thing. If it wasn't this lady, I would have just left. This thing is really fucking weird. And then that should, 90 seconds, that should pull down easy. I got the boiler off, but I'm still feeding. I gotta change that other one if I can. I'll give that a minute and see if that pulls in before I do the other one. That should be 24 volts. Part of the house has heat, part of it don't. Then I got the red, and the white here on this one. This one doesn't have voltage, does it? This head is red hot. Unbelievable, I'm even doing this. All I could say. Unbelievable, I'm even doing this thing. I still got the red up top there, but we gotta get these wires. Well, I'm hoping I can get out of here without too much problems. Alright, so I got all the whites hooked up. And I gotta just hook up the power to that number one. And that should work. Hopefully. I just have to hook up. I just got to hook up the power to that there. Number one. That's that red one up top here. It's not, for some reason, there's got to be another transformer somewhere. Alright, then that should pull down in 90 seconds. That should pull down, and then we should be able to turn the boiler on. Fucking unbelievable. This thing is bad. I had to come in here with a broom just to get my way. Get the cobwebs out of here. Put cardboard down to slide in. She needs a new fucking boiler here. This is really gonna have to tell her. She's gonna have to do something about this. I know one thing, I don't want to do it. Give her heat for now, but man, it's fucking scary. I know that the cast iron radiators are upstairs. I checked them. They have water in them. That's not a problem. 2 new zone heads. Unbelievable. That other one's working.